Which recliner chair cover is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the answer. Today, we're uncovering the best options that really do the job. Product number 1: VANSOFY Waterproof Recliner Cover. First up is the VANSOFY 100% Waterproof Recliner Chair Cover. Priced at $30.35, this cover caught my attention with its promise of total protection against spills and pet mishaps. If you want a reliable shield for your recliner, this is worth a serious look. If you have pets, you'll appreciate its durability. It stands up to scratching and is comfortable for all seasons. Plus, it's machine washable, which means easy cleanup after a puppy playdate. And with over 2,000 units sold in just the past month, people are clearly trusting it. Now, some users mentioned it can be tricky to fit perfectly on larger recliners. Here's the thing though, as long as you measure your chair before purchasing, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. If your recliner is within the size range, you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you have pets that love to lounge, but skip this one if your recliner is an oversized model. Now, if the fit issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2: Unice Home Reversible Cover. Next, we have the Unice Home Recliner Chair Cover, which is priced at $25.29. I was drawn to its reversible design that gives you two looks in one. If you want something that can refresh your furniture while protecting it, this cover is worth checking out. This product features a water-repellent quilted texture that really helps guard against spills and stains. It's made with a combination of microfiber and polyester, making it soft and comfy for lounging. The elastic straps keep it in place, ensuring it won't slide off when you get up. With a good rating from buyers, it's clear this cover does its job well. However, some buyers noted that the cover can lose its shape after multiple washes. But honestly, if you're careful with the washing instructions, this shouldn't be a major issue. It's definitely not a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for families with kids or pets who want a stylish yet functional cover. But if you're after something with a more tailored look, you might want to keep looking. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a quick fix for their recliners. Product number 3: Xiux Elastic Band Suspenders. Coming in at a budget-friendly $10.11, we have the Xiux Adjustable Elastic Band Suspenders. Now, this isn't a cover, but rather a tool to keep your existing cover secure. If you've ever dealt with a slipping recliner cover, you know how annoying it can be. This could be the solution you need. These elastic straps extend from 20 to 42 inches and are made from durable, stretchy nylon. The clips are metal, so they won't break easily. What's great is that you can use these for various covers around your home, making it a multifunctional product. With over 50 units sold recently, it seems people are finding it handy. A downside is that some users felt the clips could scratch their furniture. Now I get it, if your furniture is delicate, you might want to be cautious. But for most, it's a non-issue if you're careful during installation. This is perfect for anyone who already has a cover that doesn't stay put, but skip this if you want a full cover solution instead. Now, if you're looking for a complete cover option, the next product is just that. Product number 4: Genina Adjustable Strap Set. Next up is the Genina 3-pack adjustable elastic straps, priced at $25.29. Like the last product, this is another accessory aimed at keeping your recliner cover in place. If you hate constantly adjusting your cover, these straps offer a solid solution. These straps are adjustable from 22.6 to 78.7 inches, so they can fit a variety of recliner sizes. The strong plastic buckles and elastic material make them durable, which is crucial for long-term use. This is about giving you peace of mind that your cover won't slip off while you're using the chair, and that's vital for comfort. Some customers did mention that these straps might be cumbersome to install at first. However, once you figure it out, they really do make a difference in keeping your covers tidy and in place. This is perfect for anyone with a loose recliner cover that needs a bit of help staying put. But if you want a full cover, you may want to look at something else. Alright, that was an interesting option. But the final product on our list really brings together comfort and style in one. Product number 5: Fandiaki Reversible Cover. Last but not least, we have the Fandiaki reversible chair covers. Priced at $25.29, this cover offers a stylish dual-color option and is designed to be pet-friendly. If you're looking for something that looks good and protects your furniture, this one's a great choice. Made from durable microfiber with a 3-layer quilted texture, it's both comfortable and water-resistant. Plus, the elastic straps help keep it secure so you won't have to adjust it all the time. It seems like a solid choice for homes with kids and pets where accidents happen often. However, some reviews mention that it can be slippery on leather furniture. Here's the thing though, if you have fabric furniture, you're probably in the clear. It's just something to consider if you have a leather chair. This is perfect for those wanting a stylish, protective cover that's easy to clean. But skip this if your chair is leather and you need a more secure fit. Now that we've gone through these options, let's quickly recap the best picks. So to wrap it up, the VANSOFY cover offers solid waterproof protection, while the Unice Home cover gives you a stylish reversible option. If slipping is an issue, the Shuok straps help keep things tidy and the Genina straps offer flexibility for any cover. Finally, the Fandiaki cover is perfect for a chic look and practicality. Each has its strengths, so consider what is most important for your needs.